Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Miss Moon Black Seed Collagen Soap for Black Spots. This highly effective soap was made lovingly by hand in small batches using skin-nourishing shea butter and vitamin-enriched black seed, olive and coconut oils in a pure plant base that is extra gentle to the skin. This soap's foamy lather gently cleanses skin whilst moisturizing, helping to keep skin soft, clean and healthy. The Miss Moon Black Seed Collagen Soap is perfect for clearing black spots. It also serves as a mini mask for the face. It also serves as a cleansing bar soap made from natural plant-based extracts that helps in exfoliating the skin. It serves as an anti-acne agent recognized by science as effective on stressed skin. It helps reduce dark spots and acne to make the skin look smooth. How to apply Miss Moon Black Seed Collagen Soap. Rub the soap on your palm with warm water and massage gently on your skin. After that, rinse it off gently after a few minutes. Make sure to use it twice daily. After 7 days of use, the skin looks radiant naturally. You are also instructed to allow it to sit on the face for not more than 5 minutes, then rinse off gently. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.